Four abodes seats, four pilgrimage sites of India. Four abodes seats are the names of four pilgrimage sites in India that are widely revered by Hindus. You can also see them. They are considered highly sacred by Hindus. To visit these four pilgrimage sites during one's lifetime. These most sacred sites are Badrinath, Dwarkanath, Jagannath Puri, and Rameshwaram. If someone visits and worships the deities of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva situated at Uttarakhand state, Dwarka in Gujarat, Puri in Odisha, and Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Spiritually, it is great to visit these holy sites. It is just like achieving a lifetime satisfaction. Anybody who visits the four abodes seats goes directly to the heavens after the death. He does not feel scarcity of anything in his life. His all the griefs passes away. Complete satisfaction is felt and his soul soothes. It is said that it destroys all his kinds of sins and new elation is anticipated. According to Adi Sankaracharya, four abodes consist of three Vaishnava sites and one seven sites pilgrimages. The other pilgrimage sites are in the state of Uttarakhand, which Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath. They are known as Chota Char Dhams. In Hindu Puranas, Hari, Vishnu, and Har, Shiv, are referred as eternal friends. It is said wherever there resides Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva also resides nearby. Char Dhams are also not an exception of this. So the Kedarnath is considered as the pair of Badrinath. Ranganath Swami is considered as the pair of Rameshwaram. Somnath is considered as the pair of Dwarka. According to some traditions, the Char Dhams are Badrinath, Ranganath Swami, Dwarka, and Jagannath Puri. All the four, which are Vaishnavi sites, and their associated places are Kedarnath, Rameshwaram, Somnath, and Lingaraj temple. Geographically, the Char Dhams make a perfect square with Badrinath and Rameshwaram falling on the same longitude and Dwarka, Old and Puri on the same latitude, representing the farthest north, east, west, and south points of India. Badrinath is located in the state of Uttarakhand in the north. It is in the Gadwar hills on the banks of Alanknanda river. According to mythology, Badrinath became Nar Narayan, an incarnation of Vishnu, did tapasya there. At that time, that place was filled with plum trees. In Sanskrit language, they are called Badri. So the place was named Badrivan, that is the forest of plums. The particular spot where the Nar Narayan called Badrinath, that is the Lord of Plum Forest. This all happened in the Satyug. So the Badrinath came to be known the first Dham. Rameshwaram is the second Dham, located in the south, the state of Tamil Nadu. It is situated in the Gulf of Mannar at the very tip of the Indian peninsula. Rameshwaram got its importance in the Treta Yuga. when Lord Ram built a Shivling here and worshipped it to get the blessings of Lord Shiva. The name Rameshwaram means the god of Lord Ram. Ram himself is considered an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. According to legends, this is the place from where Lord Ram built a bridge Ram Setu to Lanka. The Ramnath temple is believed to have been consecrated by Sri Ramchandra. Rameshwaram is significant for the Hindus as a pilgrimage to Banaras is incomplete without a pilgrimage to Rameshwaram. The presiding deity here is in the form of a linga with the name Sri Ramnath Swami. Here is one Jyotirlinga out of 12 Jyotirlingas in India. The finish of linga is so smooth that you can see a light Jyoti in between the linga, pillar of light. It looks like that Lord Shiva is present. Rameshwaram temple is very old and the whole temple is built up of heavy to heavy stones. Every stone weighs many tons of weight. It is surprising to note that such a heavy stones were lifted at that old time when there were no cranes at all. There are 64 tirthas or tirthams, holy water bodies, in and around Rameshwaram. According to Sakanda Puranam, 24 of them are important. Of the 24, 14 are in the form of tanks and wells within the precincts of the temple. Bathing in these tanks is a major aspect of the pilgrimage to Rameshwaram and is considered equivalent to penance. 22 of the tanks are within the Ramnath Swami temple. The foremost one is called Agni Tirtham, the sea, way of Bengal. Jatayu, king of birds who fought in vain with the demon king Ravan to save Sita, is said to have fallen down at Jatayu Tirtham as his wings were severed. Vilondi Tirtham, literally translated to buried bow, is located around 7 kilometers from the main temple on the way to Pamban. It is believed to be the place where Ram quenched the thirst of Sita by dipping the bow into the sea water. Other major holy bodies are Hanuman Tirtham, Sugriv Tirtham, and Lakshman Tirtham. Ramnath Swami temple is the most notable historic landmark of Rameshwaram, located in the center of town. Ramnath Swami temple is a famous Hindu temple dedicated to the Lord Shiva. The temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines where Shiva is worshipped in the form of a Jyotirlinga, meaning pillar of light. It is also one of the 275 Padal Itrasthalam temples and is glorified in hymns by the three of the most revered Nayanar saints, 7th century Saivite saints, Apar, Sundarar, and Triguvanana Sambandar. The temple was built during the 12th century by Pandya dynasty. The temple has the longest corridor among all Hindu temples of India. The breadth of these columned corridors varies from 17 feet to 21 feet with a height of 25 feet. Each pillar is sculpted in Nayak style as in Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple. The third dham is Dwarka. got its importance in Dwapar Yuga, when Lord Krishna and another incarnation of Lord Vishnu made Dwarka his residence instead of Mathura, his birthplace. Dwarka, located in the west, is in the state of Gujarat. The city derives its name from the word dwar, meaning door or gate in the Sanskrit language. It is located close to where the Gomti River merges into the Gulf of Kutch. However, this river Gomti is not the same Gomti river which is tributary to of Ganga river. The city lies in the westernmost part of India. The legendary city of Dwarka was the dwelling place of Lord Krishna. It is believed that due to damage and destruction by the sea, Dwarka has submerged 6 times, and modern day Dwarka is the seventh such city to be built in the area. Jagannath Puri is fourth dham. Jagannath Puri is located at the east in the state of Odisha. Jagannath Puri is one of the oldest cities in the eastern part of the country. It is situated on the coast of Bay of Bengal. The main deity is Sri Krishna, celebrated as Lord Jagannath. It is the only shrine in India where goddess Subhadra, sister of Lord Krishna, is worshipped along with her brothers Lord Jagannath and Lord Balbhadra. The main temple is about 1,000 years old and constructed by Raja Choda Ganga Dev and Raja Tritiya Ananga Bhima Dev. Jagannath Puri is the site of Govardhan Matha, one of the 4 cardinal institutions or mathas established by Adi Shankaracharya, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. In Kali Yuga, Sri Mandir as Jagannath temple is in Puri, Odisha. Jagannath Vishnu, Balbhadra Maheshwara and Subhadra Brahma. Every year, chariot festival, Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath is taken out. This is a special day for the Odisha people. This day, a public holiday is kept in the whole state, and on this day, like a festival, is celebrated. Adorned Lord Jagannath, along with brother Balbhadra and sister Subhadra's tableaus, are taken out in and around the temple complex. This day, lakhs of spectators from India and abroad participate, enjoy, and take the blessings of Lord Jagannath. This scenic view is amusable in its own. I request you all that every Tuesday and Saturday after 7 p.m., if you see and hear this video up to 1 month's time, you will get benefited. Manakchand Sanghi, Bangalore.